to get it at the Sanghyang Villas. It was actually pretty sad to say goodbye because they've been super amazing. Gede made it so easy for us. He's super friendly with the kids. They loved him as well. They played a lot. He made a lot of arrangement for us to travel in different parts of the island. So we're so very thankful for the service and the friendship that we now have with Gede. We're currently at the Yellow Bridge again. We are waiting for our boat to Nusa Penida, and we're staying at La Roja Bungalows or La Roja Villa, but we'll show you that when we get there.
Guys, this is going to be our boat over to Penida. Alright guys, we have arrived at the La Roja Hotel in Nusa Penida. This hotel is located on the northeastern side of the island. It took us probably about 15 minutes to drive here from where the boat got off. We haven't actually explored outside the hotel yet, so we don't know what's happening outside. We will let you know soon. But the resort is beautiful. It's brand new. Apparently it's 2 days old. We could even be the first people to use this room. You can tell it's new, it smells brand new. There's even guys still outside working on a couple of things, so it's not quite complete, but it looks beautiful. It's all brand new, the pool is lovely, all the landscaping looks quite lovely. The room we have, it's an A-frame type bungalow. The ceilings look like they're about 5 meters high. The bed's quite large, it's a king size bed, so there's a lot of room in here. The kids should have plenty of room to enjoy themselves. Okay, we've got a nice big bathroom. There's a really large walk-in shower. So just for tonight they gave us a special deal where we're paying 500,000 rupiah for one night. That is about $50 Australian. They've told us if we want to stay longer we'll have to pay the normal rate, which I believe is about 670,000 rupiah, which is almost 70 Australian dollars. I think it's a pretty good deal. A lot of that depends on the location. I do believe if you want to get anywhere on Nusa Penida you're going to organise a driver and get a tour. I have asked around to see if we could rent a car, and it doesn't look like it happens here. We are going to have to organise a driver with a car. The other option is to get scooters, but with the boys we just can't do that. Okay, getting a scooter would be the cheapest option if you're here. In our case we're going to have to get a driver with a car just because we've got the boys. The couple of the sites we want to see are Kelingking Beach, Angels Billabong, and there's a couple of other beaches. I can't remember all the names. But you got to watch the rest of the vlogs, guys. We're going to show you all that soon. For the rest of the day, we're probably just going to chill out around the pool. We might go check out a restaurant just down the street. We think it's probably a 15-minute walk to where there's quite a few restaurants that we drove past. And we also want to have a look at the beach. It is right across the road from a beach. We couldn't see it from the car park, so we're going to have to go for a little walk and check that out later. Anyway, guys, that's about it. We'll see you soon. Alright guys, it is almost 7 o'clock. We're just going to head down one of the roads over here, and we want to see if we can find something good to eat in this area. Again, we're in the northeastern part of Nusa Penida, and I don't see too many other hotels around, but I think it's starting to develop here. Hopefully we can find some good food. Yeah?
Let's do it!
Lots of bikes.
What happened to your head? Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name?
Bea.
Nice to meet you. I like your earrings. I like your earrings. They're pretty.
How old?
years.
He's one.
He's 1 year, 3 months.
One.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you? Hey buddy. We come to look at the beach. Oh look, the water's really close. Just walking down the road and seeing a little opening to see the beach, and right now it looks like it's really high tide. So there's not much beach. Whoa. Whoa. Come up here, Javi. In the distance, you see a little bit of beach, but right here there's not much right now. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll go check out back down near the hotel over there, see if there's much beach to play with.
So we just walked about 10 minutes from where we're staying, and as you can see there's quite a few rooms here, a bit to choose from. We're going to have a look to see what's on offer and settle somewhere for dinner. So we're at the Coco Leaf cafe here in Nusa Penida. They have quite a few vegetarian options if you're like us, vegetarians. And we'll show you what the food looks like. The prices are about $5 for a vegetarian pizza, and the noodles and rice dish that we ordered were about $3, $3.50 each. The drinks are also affordable. It will cost you $1 for a soft drink and $2 for a smoothie or juice. And David got the bintang, a small bintang, which will cost him, how much was that, David?
$3.50.
$3.50, so pretty good pricing. Sweet's really tasty.
Is it good, Joaquin?
So we're all done, we're all nice and full. The food was really yummy, and the boys are so ready for bed right now, and so are we. So if you want to come and eat here, it's called Coco Leaf. Tomorrow we're planning on touring the island, so make sure that you stay tuned for that video next week. And other than that, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to let you know when our new content is up. And give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw. And more than just say, also hi below. Thank you.